Hello, DIY enthusiasts. Struggle to find detailed plans to build your dream project? Today, we're stepping into the exciting world of woodworking with Ted's Plans DIY. Ted's Plans offers a treasure trove of over 16,000 woodworking plans. It's not just about the volume, it's about the quality, variety, and accessibility. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, Ted's Plans caters to all skill levels with detailed instructions, material lists, and video tutorials. So, if you're ready to create something amazing, stick around as I share the top 7 reasons why you should dive into Ted's 16,000 woodworking plans. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get future videos. Before diving into a project, we need to talk tools. Just like a chef needs the right knives, a woodworker needs the appropriate tools for professional results. For intricate cuts, a jigsaw is your best friend, while a circular saw is ideal for rough cuts. Investing in quality tools is an investment in your craft. Research and choose tools that suit your skill level and projects. Don't hesitate to ask for advice at your local hardware store. They're a wealth of knowledge. Now that we've got our tools sorted, let's talk about planning. Proper planning is the foundation of any successful DIY endeavor, saving you time, money, and frustration. Start by carefully reviewing the chosen plan from Ted's Plans DIY, paying close attention to materials, measurements, and instructions. Visualize each stage and make sure you understand the process before starting. Measure twice, cut once. Create a realistic schedule and budget, considering your available time and potential delays. Now let's move on to our next chapter. Visit our website to get started with Ted's 16,000 woodworking plans today. DIY projects are a fantastic way to create beautiful pieces without breaking the bank. However, it's easy to overspend if you're not careful. A well-thought-out budget is essential. Calculate the cost of materials based on your chosen plan from Ted's Plans. Shop around for the best deals on materials and consider repurposing or upcycling items you already have. Creativity and resourcefulness go a long way in DIY. That old door in the garage, it could be the perfect tabletop for your next project. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and talk about skills. Mastering a few basic skills can empower you to tackle a wide range of DIY projects. Accurate measuring and marking are fundamental. Invest in a quality tape measure, combination square, and marking knife. Familiarize yourself with basic sawing techniques, whether using a handsaw, circular saw, or jigsaw. Practice on scrap wood until you feel comfortable with your saw of choice. Precision is key in woodworking, and a misplaced cut can throw off your entire project. Before we fire up those power tools, let's talk about safety. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including safety glasses, hearing protection, and a dust mask. Use push sticks or push blocks to keep your hands a safe distance from the blades. Never disable safety guards on power tools. They're there to protect you from serious injury. Just like a chef uses the freshest ingredients, a woodworker should use high-quality materials for a stunning project. The quality of your materials directly impacts the final result, so invest in the best you can afford. Look for straight lumber, free of knots, with a consistent grain pattern. Don't skimp on hardware and fasteners. These small details contribute to the overall durability and functionality of your project. While a little improvisation can be fun, following instructions is key, especially when starting out. Think of Ted's Plans DIY as your trusty compass, guiding you through every step of the project. Carefully read through the entire plan before you begin, paying attention to diagrams and illustrations. Even experienced woodworkers rely on plans for accuracy and efficiency. Once you've mastered the basics, don't be afraid to add your personal touch to a project. Well, there you have it, folks. We've explored the exciting world of woodworking with Ted's Plans DIY. Remember, woodworking is a journey of learning, creativity, and satisfaction. For more detailed DIY guides, check out Ted's Plans DIY. Their website offers a wealth of resources, from beginner-friendly tutorials to advanced techniques. The link is in the description of this video. Check it out, happy building, and see you in the next video.